Family curses can be very difficult, but in this video, I'll be listing some things you should mix together to get rid of family curses that may be following you from house, that may be hindering you from succeeding in life. So many people that are suffering from family problems, not knowing that they may be channeling their problems to another source. This video will help and guide you spiritually. So in case you're new here for the first time, you're seeing this face for the first time, you're so welcome. My name is Pamela. I share spiritual messages and tips on this channel. Beware of scammers. Whosoever telling you to bring money, tell the person he or she is a scammer. I don't collect money, I don't do spiritual work, I don't sell spiritual item. God bless you. Subscribe to this channel if you love spiritual tips. Like and share this video. Let's go on. You will need a combination of cleansing and protective ingredients, which I'll be listing. Sea salt is number one. Some videos I will say use any salt, but this particular one you have to use sea salt. You also have to get bay leaf. I will explain all these ingredients. You also have to get bitter leaf. If you cannot get bitter leaf, you can use other ingredients I'm listing. Get garlic. That one is a must. Sea salt, bay leaf, bitter leaf, and garlic. So these four ingredients are very important. Sea salt is for protection. It's for cleansing. It protects you from harm. It cleanses away all negative energies following you from anywhere. So that is what it's going to do. Bitter leaf is a spiritual cleansing ingredient and also removes bad luck. Remember, when all these are out of your life, you start progressing. Then garlic. Garlic repels evil. It gets rid of curses placed upon you. It removes negative energies. If you use them rightly, you see things working powerfully. Then bay leaf, like I always say on my channel, is for protection, and it also removes evil eyes. It breaks curses. It's not only for protection. I've been sharing that bay leaf is for protection, putting it under your pillow to protect you from harm, to get rid of bad dreams. But you can also use it to break curses if you combine with other ingredients rightly. So after getting all these ingredients, this is how to use it. You have to boil them together. Just pluck 7 bitter leaves. Just pluck it. Put it in a pot. Then pour some amount of water. Add 3 cloves of garlic. 3 garlics. Remove the peel and transfer it into the cooking pot. Get sea salt. 7 grains of sea salt. The sea salt is those countable ones. It must be 7 in number. Transfer it into the cooking pot. Then you have to get 7 bay leaves. Transfer it as well into the cooking pot. Allow it to boil for some time. When you notice a color change, you bring it down. You strain it out. The leaf of bitter leaf, the bay leaf, the garlic clove, just strain it out. That water is highly spiritual. But it will not work without you praying on it, of course. You need to charge it. You need to pray. Tell God what you want out of your life. Family curses can be very strong to get rid of. So you need to be highly spiritually active. You can just do fasting and prayer before this to charge yourself spiritually ahead of this. Because when you make use of this in the way I'm going to tell you, you start dreaming so many dreams. Not scary dream. Sometimes it can have a scary one. But I want to let you know that this is the process of deliverance. To deliver you from every form of family problems. Following you, stopping you from making it in life. If you are in bondage due to family causes or family problems following you, you can break yourself free from this water. You can store this water in a jar, in a bottle, so that whenever you want to use it, transfer some into your bath water. Or you can use everything. This water is highly active spiritually. So when you are bathing with this water, be praying, telling God that you need God's visitation. You need God to visit you through this. You need God to stop every harmful spirits tormenting your life. The one you know or the one you don't know. Remember, the Bible says the iniquity of the fathers are visited upon the children and the children and the children, generation to generation. Those evil things that your forefathers must have done, they did not arrange it well. They did not take care of it well. They did not seek for mercy. They left it like that. And it's now going from generation to generation, stopping progress, delaying people, generation to come. So now it may be affecting you without you knowing. You see yourself trying in different ways to succeed. Things are not working. you can try it, okay? And by the grace of God, you will receive your deliverance today. So use it to have your bath very early morning. Early morning. It can be midnight. It can be early morning before you go out. Sometimes you can still do it in the midnight, like before you go to bed. But this particular one is mainly early morning. As you are bathing with this water, be praying to God to get rid of every causes following you, to stop any hardship due to family problems. Then you want to break yourself free from every generational causes following you. And so shall it be. So use this water to have your baths. Anytime you feel that things are not working for you, to pave way. Some people, they don't know that their problem may be family oriented. So this particular one, you can use it just for using its sake, and also pray and have faith. It may work for you. If your case is a family problem, if it's not a spiritual problem, then you need to check your ways. Check what you are doing and what you are not doing to better your life. You need to work, of course, and God will bless the work of your hands. If you don't have anything you are doing, pray to God to favor you so that you can have something you are doing. Check my videos. You will see some videos talking about progress, how to get money. It's not a magic. Just seek God to favor you, to make people to bless you, and so shall it be. So use this water, get rid of negative energies, to stop family generational problems hanging over your head, following you around, and so shall it be. Always pray and have faith, and you see things working. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video, please, and also share it. There's a video here. Check it out as well. This video is very, very important for you. May God bless you. I will see you next time.